Now in this part of our training, we want to add the education part to the resume and gradually make our resume more and more complete. I also want to do this part only with the help of PowerPoint shapes, and I will show you that you can design your resume more elegantly and creatively using just these features of the PowerPoint software. To get started, I will use a circle shape, and by holding the Shift key, I draw it, and for a better and more accurate design, I zoom in on this part of the document. I set the outline value of this shape to no, and I set the shape fill to pink, which is according to the same color palette that we specified at the beginning, and then to continue the work, I select the rounded corner shape again from the shape section and draw it like this. And with the help of the yellow handle that is here, I increase the amount of curvature of my shape. Also, I will slightly increase its thickness. I will again set the outline to no and change the shape fill to pink. Now I will select the circle shape and this new shape by holding the Shift key, and I use the align middle option so that the second shape is placed exactly in the corner of the first shape, and then I move it a little towards the circle. Now I want to put an icon related to education in this part, and I have already downloaded the corresponding icon from the flat icon website. From the insert section, pictures, select this device and insert the icon related to education and make its size smaller and place it in the corresponding section. Now from the insert and text box section, I enter a text box and type the word education here. Select the text, make its size smaller and place it here. In this way, now I want to display education using the timeline. I will again select the shape and the hollow shape from the insert section and hold the Shift key to draw this shape. And again, with the help of the yellow circle that is here, I reduce the thickness of this shape. I set the outline to no and I change the shape fill to navy. I reduce its size a bit and place it in the corresponding place. Now again, I select the text box from the insert and text box section. And here I want to put the beginning and end years of each academic level. For example, I want to say from the year 2012, I select the text, I change its color, I make its size smaller. Here I want to display the year. I select this text box and the shape of the circle. I group it by pressing Ctrl+G, and I take a copy of the text and the shape of my circle by pressing Ctrl+D. And again, I use a simple line from the insert and shapes to connect the two. Then I select this line, change the shape outline to yellow and the weight value to 3 points. For example, I would like to say from 2012 to 2016, what university and field did I study? You can do the same thing. The writings here are working purely, for example, and hypothetically. And now I will come and enter another text box from the insert and text box section. And here I can type the field of study and the name of the university I studied. After writing the text, I will continue the same work, and for example, for the next academic level, I will complete the education section with the help of these shapes and text boxes. And in this way, we were able to add education sections to our resume in the form of a timeline, just with the help of our PowerPoint shapes.